We'll see how to set up fingerprint access later. The LED bar is on the top. This will show different colors and patterns when you lock and unlock the door. Introducing the Halo Touch Wi-Fi-enabled smart lock with fingerprint access technology. Let's go beyond the box to see what comes with the lock and how to use the QuickSet app. Right away, you'll see the outward-facing door hardware featuring the discrete fingerprint sensor door and when you set up fingerprint access. You'll also see the cable that will connect this piece to the interior assembly. Underneath, you'll see the Quick Start Guide and numbered boxes. The guide will walk you through the corresponding installation step for each box of hardware and the exterior assembly. In the first box, you'll find hardware for installing the latch to your door. Use the longer screws if the holes are worn out or for added security. In the second box is the strike plate, which will go on the door frame. You'll install the longer screws closer to the door jamb. In box 3 is the mount for the exterior assembly and the physical keys for your lock. This will go on the inside of the door and connect to the exterior assembly using these large bolts. Box 4 is a light but important component. These small screws will attach the interior assembly to the mount so it can connect with the exterior assembly. In the final box, you'll find the 4 AA batteries that will power the smart lock. You'll insert the batteries once the lock is fully installed. This box also contains a smart key tool, which will let you easily rekey your lock without needing to call a locksmith. Now let's check out the app. It's free to download from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. It walks you through the steps of setting up an account and pairing your smartphone, your home Wi-Fi, and the lock. Once setup is complete, you control who has fingerprint access and can see a log of everyone who's used the lock, get notifications when you're away, and you can even lock or unlock the deadbolt wherever you have cellular data. You can do all of this without an added smart home device hub or a paid subscription. The Halo Touch pairs with your home Wi-Fi and smartphone to put you in control. With a focus on home safety and peace of mind, the Halo Touch meets the highest standards of security and durability. Plus, it's Smart Key compatible, protecting your home from advanced break-in techniques and letting you rekey your lock in a few easy steps. The latest in security technology is backed up by the design and style of the lock. Choose from these attractive options to fit the look of your house and door assembly. Reliable peace of mind for the modern homeowner. The Halo Touch Smart Lock puts convenience and security in your fingertips.